What's going on, you guys? LYB vlog here. So I'm actually gonna start off the video by throwing in some drum clips from the other night. I'm actually a drummer by default. Just wanted to get some footage of me just messing around, jamming. So here are those. Welcome back, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little jamming out there. Actually was a drummer in high school. I started about in elementary school. I was a drummer, did a talent show. 4th grade, I think. And that's when I knew I was a drummer, because I got reaction from other people. And then along with that, it was jazz band, drumline for 4 years. I was in a metal band, and then I'm just a drummer by default. With that said, when I knew that I was a drummer, I got a reaction, right, from the audience in 4th grade, from the talent show. I put my heart and soul into the talent show, and people reacted very positively. That's what I want. I want you guys, right here, right now, the 40 viewers, or 50 on average, or whatever it is. I don't care. I'm not trying to blow up. I'm trying to build this YouTube channel from the ground up. I'm just trying to get active viewers, and I know I probably know some of you, but at the same time it's like I don't even know 50 people. So I just think there's some real value having interaction and a strong viewer base early on, because going viral is not on my goal. I'm actually gonna go to Walmart, go get a vision board, and I just want to be opening up as much as possible on all of these vlogs. And I want to explain to you guys kind of where I see myself and how I want to direct my energy. And I really want to, I'm speaking to the camera right here, right now, telling you guys I'm going to put most of my energy into my daily life into you guys. Just know that you guys are priority, and that's pretty crazy, right? But there's a lot going on in my life right now, and that's quite alright. It's how you react, right? It's not necessarily good or bad, it's just putting me in positions to where a lot of people, they react to how the wind blows. Do you know what I mean? They're on a certain path, the wind blows them in a certain direction, and that's just the direction of their life. To me, I personally don't think that's true, because you have a lot more control. No, I'm not gonna become YouTube famous overnight. And I know, I don't want that. I just want you guys that do care, hit the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, because I'm gonna remind you guys about my video. If you guys are already watching here and there, it's just me reminding you guys. I'm not trying to get like a crazy fan base, or I'm not trying to get clout or popular or just any of that. I'm literally doing this because I want to. I want to document my life. Even if I had no views, you guys, I would be posting weekly videos. I don't care. I'm documenting things for me to look back on, and I don't want that to be confused with me pushing you guys subscribing. Welcome back, you guys. Welcome back, you guys. LYV video here.
Just don't seem to compare. Awaiting my death in the end.